In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up approval policies in bill.com, making your financial workflow more efficient and secure. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger finance team, setting up approval policies can help ensure that every transaction is reviewed and authorized properly, reducing the risk of errors or unauthorized payments. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the bill.com homepage. Once you've logged in, look towards the top right corner or the bottom left navigation pane of your screen, where you'll find the settings gear icon. Click on this icon to access your account settings. This is your gateway to customizing how your bill.com account operates, including setting up the much-needed approval policies. Now that you're in the settings, you should see a section labeled either Approval Workflow or Approve Bills. This section is specifically designed for managing how bills are reviewed and approved in your organization. Click on Approval Policies within this section. This will direct you to the area where you can manage existing policies or create new ones. Once you're in the Approval Policies area, look for a blue button that says New or Set Up Policy. Clicking this will start the process of creating a new approval policy. This step is crucial to ensure that bills are not only processed efficiently, but also seen by the right people before any money leaves your account. Next, it's time to add triggers. Triggers are specific conditions that determine when an approval is needed. For instance, you might want approvals for bills over a certain amount or from specific vendors. Setting up these triggers helps automate the decision-making process, ensuring that only relevant bills are flagged for approval. Think carefully about your business needs and set triggers that align with your financial controls and risk management strategies. After setting your triggers, the next step is to assign approvers. Approvers are the individuals in your organization who are responsible for reviewing and authorizing bills. You can assign one or multiple approvers depending on your business structure and the complexity of your transactions. It's often a good idea to have a primary approver and a backup approver to ensure that bills are reviewed promptly, even if someone is out of the office. Finally, once you've set your triggers and assigned your approvers, don't forget to save your policy. There should be a Save button on the screen, usually located towards the bottom. Clicking Save ensures that all your hard work in setting up the approval policy is not lost and that your new policy is active and ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an approval policy in bill.com. This process will streamline your billing workflow, giving you peace of mind that every transaction is reviewed and approved by the right people. It also helps create a structured financial environment where accountability and accuracy are prioritized. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.